today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert fractions into decimals and later fractions into binary. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a decimal. Let's do 1/2. And we're going to convert that. So, the formula to doing that is we're going to do 1 divided by 2. But then that will result in 0. So we're going to extend that 1 until 1.0. And now we got 1.0 divided by 2. So that's a lot like 10 divided by 2. But we need to carry over the decimal. So let's first do 10 divided by 2. 5, right? So let's put 5. But there's no way it can be 5. Because 5 is over of the, I guess is numerator or something. I don't know my scientific words. And so let's carry over the decimal. As you can see, it's 0.5, which is correct. 0.5, so that's half of a whole number. Now let's erase all of this now. Now, how about we do something like get your hands ready, 3/4. Now let's convert it. Alrighty, so 3 divided by 4. Cannot. There we go. 3 divided by 4. Add our 0. And then 4 divided by 3, so that's 7.7. But we have a remainder. Oopsie daisy. We have a remainder of 2. So let's actually do the math first. So 30 minus, 28. And we have a remainder. Oopsies. So for that, we're going to add another 0 and carry the 0 down. Carry the 0 down. So now we got 20. And so if we do 4 divided by 20, we get 5. So it's 0.75 or 1/4 of a whole number. Or 4/5 or 6. I don't know. I just have a small bean brain. Alright, now we're moving on into how to convert fractions into binary. So let's start with a fraction. What we're going to do, so we have 3/4, and first thing we're going to do is convert it into a decimal, which we already know is 0.75. Now, let's take away the 0 and put it as 75. Alrighty, now we're going to do into the busy stuff, which is takes your big brain moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 to the power of, 1. And so that's 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1. And then, okay, now we're going to do 2 to the power of 1, which is 2. And then 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. 4 to the power of 4, which is 8. 8 to the power of 8, 4 to the power of 2 is 8. 8 to the power of 2 is 16. 16 to the power of 2 is 32. 32 to the power of 2 is 64. 64 to the power of 2. Wow, we're getting a lot. Now, 64 to the power of 2 is 128. And as you can see, we actually went over 75. So this is all we need right now. So, what we're going to do is we're going to do the subtraction method. Yay! So, as you can see, we have 75. And let's look at this number chart. and see which number, excuse me, which number is that doesn't go over 75, but is right below. Can you find it? Yep, it's 64. If you get it wrong, then you get it wrong. So it's 64. Basically, what we're going to do now is we're going to do 75 minus 64. And it equals 211. Great. Now let's look at this number chart once again and see what's below 11. Did you find it? Yep, 8. Now we're going to do 11 minus 8. Let's see, count on for me. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 3. Goes 3. And now we're at 3. We're going to look at the number chart once again, and we found 2. Oh, why won't you draw? And again, if we minus 2, then we're going to equal to 1. And then, have you found it yet? We probably did. It's 1. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So we're going to keep on doing that until we have 0. And now we have 0. Okay, so now we're going to do the simplest thing. And this is the easiest part. We are going to see what numbers we have here. So, we don't have 128, so we're going to put 0. And we do have 64, so we put 1. No 32, 0. No 16, 0. There is an 8, so we put a 1. There is no 4, so we put 0. And there is a 2, and there is a 1. So this is the binary for 0.75. And that's basically it. So that's how you convert a fraction into a decimal, or a decimal into a fraction, or a decimal into a binary. So it's 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So anyways, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Bye!